Hello guys and welcome to another ptfs update. Yes, it is. We have to load even though I turned off loading. Normal play. Oh wait, one thing you need to see is this. There's new options. Um, I don't know what this does. When enabled, I don't want to win. Instant loading, true. Infinity true. All space to exit, true. Always stay true. Save graphics, no. When enabled, no. I don't know. So this is the first thing we got. So now let's talk about the second thing we got. Yes, FOV. FOV, we got FOV. I'm sorry about that I have this character, though I was doing some trolling, so there we go. FOV. You can also, like, in GUI, you can turn it off, because it's not really needed, bro. It's not really needed. So that out of the way, we have airport boards. That you can display stuff, I think. So let's get into the new plane now because everything else is pretty much boring. Here we go. It's in light aircraft. Cessna 402. Yes, another Cessna plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Cessna planes. I mean, just use the PA-28 if you want to be here, but I guess it's cool. Ordnance survey, purple. Yeah, there's a lot of liveries, but blue stripes best, in my opinion. So let's see. I have here. Let's quickly look around at it. The landing gear is beautiful. If I just find out how to use this. That's it. That's some fire gear. The cockpit also looks really nice, but I need to find out how to use this. Okay. I have an idea. Yeah, but the cockpit looks really nice, as you can see from the blurry motion. Now let's get back. So there's three different seats, but there's different 2 passenger seats, I think. Actually 4. No, I don't want Marshall here. And yeah. So if we get in, we can see that this has many controls, including gear. It has 3 flap stages. Let's look at that. That's different than other planes. So without further ado, let's just start. No music in this video because of the sound. It's too lazy basically. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. It's fine like an over now. Yeah, this plane is actually really good to be honest. I didn't really want this in the game. But when I saw on the Discord, yeah. It was either a helicopter or aircraft, so I'm happy with aircraft. So yeah, basically flying around. So basically, this aircraft is possibly let's see, 250? Yeah, 250, around 250. Or 230. Yeah, probably 230. So this aircraft is produced by Cessna, as you can tell from the name. It's really nice. You can fly it. It's something fast. You can use it some animation, basically. So yeah, let's do this control animation. So I can do the nice simple control animation like this. The sightseeing one, which is my favorite mission in the game, which I have done many times. I was going to be able to see right now. Sightseeing, and I crashed to the ground. We need to look up. Look up. Oh my god, that was so long. So basically, let's just do a walk around. Slow down. I'm gonna minimize that before I do. Slow down. Yeah, actually. Yeah, should be good. But yeah, I play a lot of private flights, so really it doesn't matter. There we go, there we go. Here. Oh crap. Maybe not here yet, but so perfect for now. 50 knots should be good. 55, okay, 55. No, 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 we're gonna stall. Let's see if it's gonna be a bother. I have to respect a long meeting, so there we go. So let's just the copy lights is definitely your phone cover to buy. Doesn't matter if it's gonna be a bother though. I'm pretty sure that was butter. I'm pretty sure that was butter. That was butter. But this plane stops really fast. That's what I want to tell you. I didn't even use reverse thrust. Holy Jesus, that stopped fast. But anyways, I think this plane is like really good. And you should definitely try that out this update. I think it's a great addition. It's a slow addition, but it's great overall. Yeah, also you can now like hold space to exit, which is so good. Even though I would change it to you because that's in Project Flight. Anyways, this is a really good plane. I definitely recommend it to use it for like sightseeing missions and stuff like that. Oh crap. So yeah, I recommend that. Once again, this plane is really beautiful, especially the cockpit, as you can see. Yeah, but I need to. Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. No, 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 no. Yeah. I recommend it. Recommend it. I definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Yeah, just like and subscribe. If you want, of course. Help me get to 500 subs. I mean, it's a pretty ambitious goal. I have 5 subs, but it doesn't matter.